Hi everyone, and a big welcome back to the Big Smile Summer Challenge, episode 3. I'm so hungry. Look at all this yummy food. But some of it might not be as good for me, my well-being, or my health. Today we're going to be joined by a few friends to ask us all about it.
I know I'm not supposed to eat too many sweets, but does that really affect my teeth?
Diet plays a big part about the health of our teeth. Ideally, we should eat a varied diet and avoid sugar so that our teeth and our overall health are good. Fruits and vegetables have healthy vitamins and minerals that make sure our body works properly. Foods like milk, yogurt, cheese and tofu have a special mineral called calcium. These help to make our teeth and bones stronger. And these foods, although they might taste delicious, you don't really know how much sugar is actually in them. Let's play a guessing game and find out. You have to tell me how much you think there is, and then I'll show you how much there really is. This is a sugar experiment. So first off, we have our beloved choc chip cookies. Now can anybody guess how many spoons there will be? Let's start counting. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's how much sugar is in one cookie. Next up, we have that lovely donut. Doesn't it look delicious? But how much sugar is in this one? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 spoons of sugar in one donut. That's a lot of sugar, especially if you're eating more than one donut. Next up, we have our orange juice. Now this doesn't look very harmful, but you'll soon see how much sugar it really has. Does anybody want to have a guess before I start? Well, let's see if you're right then. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's right. 4 spoons of sugar in 1 cup of juice. Did you get that right? If you didn't, at least now you know. And now everybody knows about Coke. But how much sugar is there really? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, still going, 5, and 6. That's how much sugar is in 1 cup of Coke. Makes you not really want to drink it anymore, does it?
Wow, that really is a lot of sugar. But I still want to know, what does this sugar do inside of our mouth?
That's a very good question. Well, if you look inside of your mouth, you'll see that our teeth aren't smooth. There's lots of tiny little bumps and little gaps between our teeth. And although it might feel like you've eaten the entire chocolate bar, there are tiny little pieces left in those gaps. Bacteria love to live in places with lots of sugar, so more and more come to enjoy the feast. And perhaps they like the chocolate as much as we do, but the difference is bacteria make a yucky chemical called acid. The more sugar you eat, the more bacteria in your mouth and the more acid is made. Did you know there are more bacteria in your mouth than there are people on this planet?
Ew! I didn't know there was so many bacteria in there. But why is the acid so bad for our teeth?
Well, our teeth have a hard protective outer layer called the enamel. The acid softens our enamel, which can cause tiny holes to form. Yes, it's gross, I know. That's why we should avoid brushing straight after we eat. Because if we brush too soon, who knows? You might just brush some of the surface of your tooth away. Sugary drinks also make more acid, which can weaken your teeth more than healthier options like milk or water. Let me show you a cool experiment that you guys can do at home to show this. All you'll need is 3 boiled eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of juice, and 1 cup of any fizzy drink. I'll show you the results from one I tried earlier, but if you do this, make sure to send me pictures of your experiments. I love seeing you guys getting involved. As we know, fizzy drinks have the most sugar, so they also make the most acid. That's why they've stained this egg the darkest. Next we have the orange juice. This has less sugar than the Coke, but still has stained the egg to a yellowish colour. And finally, we have the one in milk. This egg has stayed pure white, since there is almost no acid in the milk. Saliva can actually help with this. It washes away and gets rid of any extra food particles and extra acid in our mouth. Most of our saliva is made during mealtime, so that's the best time to eat, instead of having lots of mini snacks throughout the day.
So, Ananya, are you saying I can never eat sweet things ever again?
If you don't eat it too much, sweet things can be eaten every once in a while, alongside a balanced diet, because everyone deserves a treat. And believe it or not, healthy options can be just as tasty. I love eating an apple while doing my schoolwork if I ever feel a little bit peckish. How about everyone leave a comment below on your favourite fruit, and if you have it at home, make sure to eat it as well. To end this week's video, let's finish off with a quiz. What can you remember? What does the mineral calcium in foods like milk and cheese do to our teeth?
Make them longer?
Stronger?
Weaker? Bigger?
That's right, they get stronger. What do bacteria make that isn't very good for our teeth?
I know. Sugar?
Fluoride?
Enamel?
Acid?
Bacteria make acid. That's the thing that softens our enamel. What kind of things does your diet affect?
Your well-being.
Your teeth?
Your mood?
Your health?
That one was a trick question. Your diet affects all of those things, so make sure you're eating well. How long after we eat should we brush?
After waiting for some time?
Straight away.
Never! The next day.
We should brush after waiting for some time after we eat. Our teeth are softer, remember? What kind of drink is good for your teeth?
Fizzy drinks?
Orange juice?
Milk!
Squash?
Did you get that one right? It was milk. Remember, milk has lots of calcium, which is good for your teeth, and also is very low in sugar. And finally, how often can we eat sweets?
Every day. Only sometimes with meals.
Never.
Whenever we want to.
We can eat sweets only sometimes with meals, because if you remember, that's when our mouth makes the most saliva. Good job, everyone! I hope today helped you understand why your parents might not let you eat too many sweets. They're helping to keep your health and teeth in tip-top shape, and I'm sure next time you can make the right choice too. For this week's shoutouts, we had the challenge of a dentist joke, and I can tell you now, I found them all really funny. It was such a good time just going through them. But this week, our winner nationally is Vivan. Good job, I really like the joke. Let's hear it. Knock knock. Who's there? Dishes. Dishes who? Dishes how I talk since I got my teeth out. I really like that one. And internationally, our winner is Adve. And his joke was, "Hi, I have a joke on wisdom teeth, but I need a dentist to take it out." I like that one too. Good job, everyone. Vivan, you will get your goodie bag sent to you in the post. And Adve, you will get a certificate of achievement in the email. Everybody else, well done on all your brilliant submissions, and you'll get your participating certificate as well. Good job, and keep participating, everyone. Thank you. For this week's challenge, I want you all to make something out of the healthy food lying around your house. This can be nuts, fruits, vegetables, anything really. You could send a smiley face or even a food message to us here at Big Smiles. Remember to send pictures of all your creations to the email in the description box below. I can't wait to see all your submissions. Have fun!